how to enable multiple HTTP methods in your n8n Workflows webhook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable multiple HTTP options in a single webhook in your n8n workflow. So as you can see, I have this sample workflow right here with three webhooks, and I'll show you how you can add multiple HTTPS to a single one. So for example, let me get to this particular webhook, and here you can see currently the HTTP method is set to get. I can change it to post or put as well, but I cannot choose two of these simultaneously. For example, let's say I want the get and the post request simultaneously. So what I can do is simply go to the settings and from here click onto this toggle that is allow multiple HTTP methods, and from here now you can see I can add not only 3 but 4, 5 or even 6 HTTP methods as well as far as I am concerned. So this is how easily you can enable these settings. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.